When we do testing, there is also a education that we give, the awareness on the risks, the treatment, and the areas or the outlets where services are provided. So all of these considered give us more power to and more reach to advocate and to provide venues for testing and for treatment. We are happy that every time that the Department of Health participates in these kinds of events, especially yung mga pride events, ay nakikita namin na talagang mataas ang participation ng mga LGBTQI plus communities. And marami ang nagpapatest. So yun pa lang ay talagang malaking bagay na. There are a lot of campaign materials that we are able to give. We have a lot of experts who can speak, who are available, and counselors who are willing to donate their time and efforts to the movements. Yes, yung mga kabataan kasi ay medyo hindi sila aware at maraming mga wrong information na laganap, hindi lang po sa peers nila pero pati na rin sa media. So what we need is to get to advocate leaders or to develop leaders, to connect them to service providers, to offer counseling, and to advocate on protection, self-detection, and consistent treatment for those who are already infected. Our message for the LGBTQI plus communities is that we want everyone to participate in and to advocate. As long as we talk about an issue, we increase awareness. We do know that HIV is an increasing threat, not just to the LGBTQI plus but also to the whole population. Ang Pilipinas po ay tumataas steadily ang mga kaso ng HIV, and we need to act preemptively. Kailangan po ay agapan ho natin yung mga efforts natin. We need to expand our efforts. We need to be consistent and spread more awareness, provide more services, gather more allies for our advocacy.